The Supreme Court upheld one of the four items that was being considered as part of the federal lawsuit. So for us, it's important, the decision that the Supreme Court made, because at least three of them were segments of the law that were basically struck down. The one aspect that was still upheld was the basis for the CPLC lawsuit, which basically Judge Bolton dismissed because nobody had been affected by SB1070. So this gives CPLC an opportunity to refile our suit, to go back to our community and ask them that whenever there's a civil rights that has been affected, if somebody feels that they've been abused, that will give us an opportunity to go back through the court and once again make the argument that 1070 will affect our civil rights. We will not take it any longer. It'll be up to us to show that, again, our community will not tolerate this. 1070, brought our community in divide. We had the general community who was very supportive of 1070, but we had the Latino community that was totally against, in the same similar numbers, that people that show support. So our community was extremely affected. People were exiting the state. People were in fear because of the potential of being stopped and being discriminated against. And so we saw tremendous negative impact in many of our communities that potentially we could see a ripple effect of that again. So for us, this whole decision with 1070, although we are pleased, that three of the pieces were struck down, we're still concerned that the one provision that was upheld, that it could still continue to have a negative impact in our community, and once again, putting in question whether Latinos are welcome in Arizona. We're very concerned with the message that it sends, but we will continue to fight. We will continue to ensure that there's clarity, and above all, that our civil rights are upheld.